Number 50.
Finished, ma'am.
Very good, Shravanya.
Finished, ma'am.
Very good, Ma. Yes, good. Shravanya, when you are writing, you have to leave one row and continue with the next row. அடுத்தடுத்த ரோ எழுதக்கூடாது, ஓகே? சொன்னல, மம்மி சொன்னாங்கல்ல, you forgot. Listen to your mama. Next, who finished? Tilakar still writing. Easy only, no, write fast.
Finished, ma'am.
Yeah, very good.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ma. Sarah, take your slate and write tens counting.
What we have to write, ma'am? What she has to write?
Tens counting, 10 to 100.
Fine, okay.
Ma'am.
Yes. Very good, Nitish. Well done. Super. Children, you yourself should write. Think and write. Okay?
Wait, bite you some.
Yes. Adarsh. Finish, Adarsh. Very good boy, Adarsh. Super. Hmm?
Finished.
Finished. Very good, Ma. Nakshatra also, you should leave one row and write. Okay? Should not continue with the next row. Alternative row.
Ma'am, stop smiling.
Yeah, I'll give you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Nimalan. Children, those who have joined now, take your slate and write tens counting 10 to 100.
Sorry, ma'am. We were trying in the old link, ma'am. We forgot this new link, ma'am.
This is the new month, right? December.
Forgot that one. Sorry.
No problem. Fast, fast, finish it fast, children.
Ma'am.
Finish. Good. Yes. Finish it fast, children.
And mine. Alan, finish, ma'am.
Very good, Nimalan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Start your sentence, children. Come on, make it fast.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good.
Finish சத்தமா சொல்லு. Finish man சொல்லு. சொல்லு. வாய்க்குள்ள சொல்லிட்டு.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Madhuvanti. Good, Sara. Okay, now all of you stand up, join your hands and close your eyes. Stand up, join your hands and close your eyes, children. Who's going to say Kids the Anthem today? Srinija, Kids the Anthem. Yeah, good morning, ma.
Me, your nice, your neck, my potential inside. You are the wind. You are the wind. Within my flight. You define me. You define me. My potential inside. My potential inside.
Today I pledge
I pledge.
With all my mind.
With all my mind. I shall achieve my potential inside.
my potential inside.
Your
Yes, very good morning, children. Come on.
Good morning,
Lovely
ma'am.
good morning from everyone. Very good morning, children. Keep standing for the warm-up activity.
Bluetooth mode.
Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Tiger! Run, 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 run like a tiger. Run, run, run. Run like a tiger. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Elephant! Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp like an elephant. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Stomp like an elephant. Stop! Come on, clap come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Jump, 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 jump like a kangaroo. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Snap, 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 snap like a crocodile. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Fly, 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 fly like an eagle. Stop! Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's warm-up time. Stop! Giraffe.
Very good, children. Now come on, all of you go drink one glass of water and come back for attendance. Adya Sharma. Adya is absent today. Ilango.
Ma'am.
Very good, Ilango. Yes, Nakshatra. Very good, Nakshatra. Nitish. Nitish. Yes, very good, Nitish. Kevin.
Iwaya.
Very good, Kevin. Riyasri.
Ma'am.
Very good, Riyasri. Sarah. Very good, Sarah. Pranavi. Pranavi. Ravina. Srinija. Very good, Srinija. Tilakar. Tilakar. Very good, Tilakar. Kadambari. 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 Kadambari is not there. Shravanya.
Here I am showing you.
Here I am. Shravanya. Okay, Mokshita. Mokshita is absent. Nimalan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Very good, Nimalan. Adarsh. 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 Okay, marking you, Adarsh. That's what, Adarsh. You're a bad boy, Adarsh. Smiley கிடையாது உங்களுக்கு போங்க. Madhuvanti. Yes, very good, Ma Madhuvanti. Thank you so much. Okay, first of all, we'll finish off with our rhymes, children. Okay, first rhyme is oh where, okay? Oh where has my little dog gone? Oh where can it be? with his ears so short and his tail so long. Oh, where can he be? Okay, and the second rhyme is under the web. Okay, under the web, beside the gate, the spider hangs, his legs are 8. Above him flies the busy buzzing bee. 6 black furry legs has she. And the third rhyme is butterfly rhyme. Okay? Yes? Yes? Did anyone call me? Okay. Butterfly rhyme. First comes the butterfly and lays an egg. Out comes the caterpillar with many legs. The caterpillar spins and forms a chrysalis. Out comes the butterfly and blows a kiss. Okay. The fourth rhyme is rocket, rocket rhymes. Okay. Rocket, rocket going up in space. With the white moon it will race. To all the people saying goodbye. Goes the astronaut in his rocket. Hi. Yes, Kadambari's mom, I have marked Kadambari present only. Okay. Okay, and the final rhyme, fifth rhyme is pentagon rhyme. Okay, pentagon comes with 5 sides, with 5 sides, with 5 sides. A pentagon comes with 5 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are the 5 rhymes for your term 2 assessment, children. Apart from these 5 rhymes, you can take any 2 rhymes and you have to sing very clearly. Then only ma'am will give you full marks for rhymes. Okay, should not just blabber something. Okay, because there are 5 rhymes this time. You can choose any 2 rhymes from that. Okay. Okay. Now next we are going to learn about a new concept. We have already learnt about pollution. So how many types of pollution are there? There are 4 types of pollution. What are they? What are they? Water pollution. Air pollution. Then land pollution and what is this? Yeah, good. Noise pollution. Okay. Land pollution. Yeah, very good, Manimalan. Land pollution, air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution. Okay, these are the 4 types of pollution. And today we are going to learn about communication. What is communication? What is communication? Talking with each other, sharing information. Yes, that is communication. How ma'am is talking to you? Ma'am is teaching you daily, right? That is also a communication. When I'm not talking with you, how can you hear me, children? You cannot hear me, right? When I talk to you only. Now, உங்ககிட்ட பேசும்போது தான் உங்களால என்ன கேட்க முடியும். Okay, so what we talk, it is communication. What we share, some information or anything, that is communication. And there are 3 types of communication. Okay, so what are they? First is verbal communication. First one is verbal. Verbal means பேசுறது. ஓகே, பேசி பேசி நீங்க என்ன விஷயம் தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறீங்க இல்லையா? வாட் எவர் யூ வாண்ட், உங்களுக்கு என்ன வேணுமோ மம்மி டாடி கிட்ட போய் கேட்குறீங்க. வாட் எவர் யூ வாண்ட் அண்ட் தென் தே ஆர் ஆல்சோ ஆன்சரிங் யூ. ஓகே, ஸோ தட் டைப் ஆஃப் கம்யூனிகேஷன் இஸ் கால்ட் வேர்பல் கம்யூனிகேஷன். வேர்பல் கம்யூனிகேஷனா பேசுறது மட்டும்தான். ஓகே, ஒன்லி டாக்கிங். That is verbal communication. Srinija, I want you to sit properly. Put a blanket on your thigh. Okay, verbal communication. The second one is written communication. Written communication means if your friend is somewhere far away, what you will do? You cannot speak with him. So at that time, what you will do? You will write a letter. In olden days, what the relatives will do? At that time, we were not having this phone and all. Now only we are having mobile. இப்பதான் மொபைல் எல்லாம் இருக்கு, வாட்ஸ்அப்லாம் இருக்கு. பட் இன் ஓல்டன் டேஸ்ல மொபைல்லாம் இல்ல, போன் எல்லாம் இல்ல, ஒண்ணுமே இல்ல. அப்ப எப்படி கம்யூனிகேட் பண்ணாங்க? They were writing letter. Okay, letter, postcards. They used to write letter and they used to communicate. So such type of communication is called as written communication. Nowadays, say olden days la letter எழுதுனாங்க ma'am. இப்ப எப்படி written communication? Now is anyone writing letter? யாராவது letter எழுதுறீங்களா? Very rarely people write letter, but nowadays what is available? Phone is available, WhatsApp, email. Yes, everything is available. WhatsApp la message போட்டா போதும். Okay, daily if you are taking leave, what your parents are doing, you know, என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க உங்க parent ன்னு தெரியுமா? Ma'am, today Ilango will not attend the class. Like that, she will type a message and she will send me. Nimalan will not attend class today. He is on leave today. Srinija will not attend classes for 1 week. We are going to our native place. All these are through messages. Message பண்ணிட்டா போதும். Okay, so this type of communication is written communication because we are typing. We are not talking. Okay, பேசுறது கிடையாது. ஆனா அதுக்கு பதிலா நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்? Message type பண்ணி அனுப்புறோம். So this type of communication is written communication. When your daddy, when he comes from the office, at that time also he'll open his laptop and what he will do? He'll type a message and he'll mail it to his office. That type of communication is written communication. So email, writing a letter, messaging in WhatsApp, all these are written communication. Children, listen carefully. This is also included in your term 2 exam. Okay, written communication. And the third one is verbal communication. Sorry, sign language. Okay, what is sign language? Sign language na பேசவே மாட்டீங்க, எழுதவும் மாட்டீங்க. அப்ப எப்படி அப்படி நம்மளோட ஃபீலிங்ஸ் எப்படி சொல்றது? If you want some water, for example, உங்களுக்கு இப்போ water வேணும், but you should not talk, children. I'll give you an activity. You want some water, but you should not talk to your mama, but you should ask with actions. Action பண்ணி உங்களுக்கு water வேணும்னு கேட்கணும். How will you ask? Call your mama and ask water. How will you ask? First call your mama without talking. பேசக்கூடாது. பேசாம வெறும் ஆக்ஷன்ஸ் மூலமாவே உங்க மம்மியை கூப்பிட்டு வாட்டர் கேட்கணும். எப்படி கேட்பீங்க? How will you ask? Nakshatra. First call your mama. Like this you will show, no? Come. This is coming action, okay? And then you will ask, you want water. So this is sign language, children, because many people in this world are deaf and dumb. Deaf and dumb na காதும் கேட்காது, பேசவும் முடியாது. Okay, so such type of people, how will they communicate? அவங்களுக்கு ஏதாவது வேணும்னா எப்படி கேட்பாங்க? Through sign language, using their hands. Okay, and now let me see. All of you show your happy faces. When you are happy, how will you show? Happy na எப்படி காட்டுவீங்க? Happy இருக்கீங்க. Ma'am, I'm very happy. எப்படி காட்டுவீங்க? Ma'am, I'm very sad, ma'am. Sad na எப்படி காட்டுவீங்க? Yes. And then, ma'am, I'm very angry. How will you show I'm very angry? Very angry. Ma'am, I'm very scared. How will you show? So, here we are not talking anything. Whatever I am asking you, you are showing it through actions. That is sign language. What is this? Sign language. So, there are 3 types of communication. First is verbal communication. Second is written communication. And the third one is sign language. Okay. So, today we are going to see regarding that only, children. Is my screen visible, parents? Screen தெரியுதா?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, one. Now? Yes, if you can't see my screen, you please pin Kidzi 1395.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am. Now.
Communication. எப்படியெல்லாம் நம்ம இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் கேதர் பண்றோம், ஷேர் பண்றோம்ன்றது தான் communication. Okay, so first what we are going to see, what type of communication we are going to see is verbal communication. Verbal communication, as usual I said, by talking through your mouth. Okay, that is verbal communication. Sarah, Listen, Sarah, look at the screen. Verbal communication, na pesradhu. That is verbal communication. Here you see, they are talking with each other. They are not writing or doing anything. They are talking. So this type of communication is verbal communication. When you meet your friends, what you will do? You will sit simply, or else you will write and show them. No, right? You will straight away talk with them. So that is verbal communication. If you have doubts also, what you will do? Ma'am, what is this, ma'am? I don't know, ma'am. I finished, ma'am. So all such type of communications are verbal communication. நீங்க என்னெல்லாம் பேசுறீங்களோ அது எல்லாமே verbal communication. See here, a teacher is teaching like Vanilla ma'am, yes, and the girl is answering to the teacher. So this is verbal communication. She is questioning and the girl is answering. So this is verbal communication. See here, talking through mobile and telephone. Talking. Here also the children are talking. Yes, this is verbal communication. And next we will move on to our written communication. Written communication na writing மூலியமா communicate பண்றது. See here, the girl is far away. She is going to write a letter to her friend. She is not talking here. She is writing whatever she is feeling and then she is going to post it in the post box. What will happen after you post the postcard in post box? The postman will collect all the letters from the post box and delivers it to the respective address. Okay, this is the post box. Here, this is the post box red in color. And see, he has lot of letters in his hands. Terida, whatever letters you are writing, where you will go and post? You will go and post it in the post box. The postman, he will come and take the letters to the post office. There he will put some stamp and all and then he will deliver the letter to the respective address. Okay. See here. Apart from writing letters, nowadays how we are communicating? We are sending messages through WhatsApp, email, fax and all. Okay. So this is also written communication. Here you are not talking. Instead of that, you are typing the message. First you used to write with a pen. But instead of writing with a pen, now the technology has grown. You are typing the messages in your phone and you are sending me. This is written communication. And the next one is sign language. See here, thumbs up. When you finish, you show me thumbs up. When your food is nice, you will show, super. Like that, right? So this is sign language. See here, you will show your emotions through your faces. Happy emotion, sad emotion, angry emotion, scared emotion. Everything you show it through your face instead of talking or writing. The talking illa, writing illa. Instead of that, you are just showing the actions here. This is sign language. And next here, this type of news has been broadcast for people who are deaf and dumb. Seeing the actions itself, they will know what is going on around the world. காதும் கேட்காது பேச முடியாதுன்னா என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? அவங்களுக்கு நியூஸ் கேட்கணும், என்ன நம்ம உலகத்துல நடக்குதுன்னு தெரியணும் அப்படின்னா இந்த மாதிரி நியூஸ் பார்த்தாதான் அவங்களுக்கு தெரியும். Here this lady she'll show everything with actions. This is sign language. Okay children, now I want you to take your worksheet D105 CT. D105 CT. D105 CT, write today's date. Today's date is 1-1-2-12-2121. Month of November is over. Now this is month of December. Okay, here are some objects given here. You have to find out which we use for communication. Okay, எது மூலியமா நம்ம பேசுவோம்? How will we talk with others? By using what are the materials we talk with others? Will you use a fridge to talk with others? Fridge use பண்ணுவீங்களா பேசுறதுக்கு? Yes or no? No. So you should not circle fridge. Then car use பண்ணுவோமா பேசுறதுக்கு? No, car also we will not use. Postcard, letter.
Yes.
Yes, very good. So what you will do, you have to circle postcard. And then computer, laptop. Yes, how are you attending your online classes? How are you talking with Vanilla ma'am? Through laptop, computer, mobile phone, tab, etc. Okay, so you have to circle computer. Next, if you want to call your relatives, friends and all, how will you talk with them? You will talk with a telephone or a mobile phone. Finish? Finished? Yeah, very good. Finished?
Mom, finish, Mom.
Very good, ma'am. Okay, now I want all of you to take your math notebook. Take your maths notebook. Parents, copy down these sums. Find the greater number. Please don't strike it out. This is for example I have done. Please don't strike out. The number is 24 and 29. Copy down these sums in your math notebook. Don't do it in your slate, children. Math notebook. Parents, copy down the sums and give it to them. They will do it. And children, you are not going to ask any help from your parents. You yourself are going to do. Okay?
Greater number, ma'am.
Greater number. Find the greater number.
Only greater number.
Tilakar. Find the greater number. Do all these sums on your own. Finished copying? Finish copying it down. 5 sums.
Copied, ma'am. Copied.
Yeah,
Yes,
start
ma'am.
doing it. Yeah, thank you. Start doing it.
Ma'am, can you show one, ma'am?
Mom, finish, Mom.
Very good, Nimalan.
Yeah, okay, thank you, ma'am.
First sum, shall I do it for you, children? First step is underline the first number, check whether it is same or different. If it is same, strike out that number. Same irunda strike out pannidunga. Different means from there itself you find out. If it is same, you strike out. Then move on to the next number. From here you find out which is the greater number. Or else if you are straight away able to find out clearly looking at the number also, it's fine. You need not go stepwise. Very good, Tilakar. Tilakar's mom, is he able to do on his own?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Tilakar.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, Ma'am.
Yes, welcome.
Ma'am, Srinija finished, ma'am. But I assisted her, like, first digit is what and all, like that.
Okay, then frequently, you have to regularly, at least 3 sums you give her. Okay, alternately, like one day you give her the greater number, the other day small number. Okay, like that alternatively you give her practice regularly. Okay, even in class also we'll try to give. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, I am preparing smileys for you children. Come on, make it fast.
Ma'am, Shavanya finished, ma'am.
Very good, Shravanya. How did Shravanya do, Shravanya's mom? Shravanya's mom, how did she do? Was she finding any difficulty? Mommy is not there. Huh?
Yes, ma'am. What's your question?
How did she do this? Did she ask you or you helped her anything?
No, using that abacus, ma'am. I just took that and I was asking which is greater. Then she circled the number accordingly.
Okay. Good, Shravanya.
Finish, ma'am.
Yes, very good, Nitish. Yes, Nimalan. Nimalan gets 3 smileys.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Welcome. Next, who finished? Srinija. Srinija also gets 3 smileys. Yes? Sit properly first, huh? Okay, next is Shravanya.
Call, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Shravanya also gets smileys. Yes, welcome. Welcome. Next, who finished? Tilakar. I forgot Tilakar. Tilakar, this is for you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Welcome. Next, who finished, children? Tara. Tara finished.
Yes, ma'am.
How she did it on her own?
No, a lot of instructions, ma'am. Draw the things.
Okay. She's lacking practice, I think. Regularly, you give her this activity. Okay. One day greater number, other day smaller number. At least 3 sums. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Sure, ma'am.
Okay. This smiley goes for Sarah. Okay. Next, who finish? Good girl. Sit down. Nitish. Nitish ko smiley. Okay, Nitish? Happy? Yeah, welcome. Yes, we finished. Doing, Madhuvanti, Riyashri, Ilango.
Ilango is doing, ma'am.
Okay. Madhuvanti,
Finish it, chudle.
Nakshatra. Yes. You all did it
Nakshatra is
correctly?
waiting.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Okay, this is for Madhuvanti. Yeah, welcome. Riyasri. ஐயோ attendance this is not attendance. Finish பண்ணிட்டீங்களா? Finished. Very good. This smiley goes for you.
Thank you.
Welcome. Then Adarsh and Ilango. Waiting for Adarsh and Ilango. Adarsh, Ilango and Nakshatra. 3 of you.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Ilango. Smiley goes for you. How did you do it, Ilango? With helper?
Finish, ma'am.
I'm with help. Okay, I'm guiding him with 3 steps. Like Ilango, you have to look at whether number is same or different like that, and then he's good.
Okay, regularly give him some sums. Okay, 3 to 4 sums regularly, and he will get it easily. Okay.
Okay.
Who finished, ma? Kevin,
Yes, ma'am.
Kevin, very good boy, Kevin. Ilango, the smiley goes for you, and Kevin also.
Smiley.
3 smileys.
Yes. Smiley.
அங்க பாரு ஸ்மைலி ஆனா மேம் கிட்ட பதிலே சொல்றது இல்ல. Very good boy. Okay, you have finished your activity. Good boy. And Nakshatra, I'm waiting for you, Nakshatra.
Ma'am, still she's drawing beads for getting the greater number. So that's
No
why.
problem. Some children they will know what to do. So like looking at the number itself, they will identify. But some children they will take some time. No problem. I want you to regularly give this activity. One day greater number and one day smaller number. If it is possible, I'll give it in the class itself. If not, you try it in home. Okay?
Okay. Greater number is this. The greatest சொல்லுது.
Yes, finish. Finish it fast. Okay, others, those who have finished this worksheet, I want you to take D105 CT, the same worksheet. Not the same? The next worksheet. We have done one worksheet now, right? This one. Next to this worksheet, you will have another one. This worksheet. Here you are going to number it, children. First, what you will do? If you want to write a letter to your mama, okay, she is far away from you, you are somewhere else, okay, you don't have any phone, anything, and now you are going to write a letter to her. So what will be the first step? And then after writing a letter, what you will do? So the first step number 1 is you will write a letter. See, this girl is writing a letter. So this will be number 1. And then what the girl will do after writing the letter? She will post the letter. Where is the picture that she is posting the letter? Can you see it? Where is it? Show me in your worksheet, children. Where is it? Where is the girl posting letter? எங்க இருக்கு இந்த 4 pictureல where is the girl posting letter? That is number 2. Here. Number 2. And then after she posted the letter, postman will come and take the letter and then he will deliver to her mother. Can you see a postman delivering a letter? Can you see a postman delivering a letter? Where is that picture? Very good, Ma Nakshatra. Take this worksheet and do. Where is the postman delivering the letter? Here. This is number 3. And finally the letter reaches her mother. This is number 4. First step you will write a letter. Then you will post a letter number 2. Then the postman delivers the letter number 3. Finally you get the letter that is 4. Number 4. Write number, all number it, children.
Ma'am, Shavanya finished, ma'am.
Very good, ma Shavanya.
Yelanga finished, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, now take your English notebook, children.
Ma'am, finish.
ஏன்டா அப்புறம் அதுல போய் நோண்டுறா? இப்பதானே அதுக்கு அடிச்சேன்.
Take your English notebook, children. Yes. Now we are going to write dictation, 2-letter words. Okay?
2-letter word.
Write today's date. Write today's date in your notebook. Fast, fast, fast. Time up. Come on. First word is in. In. First word that you are going to write is in. E, n, in. E, e, e. Inky the mouse is my pet. And then n. Here the aeroplane. Finish. Next is is. Is. You yourself should write, children. Don't ask your parents. Second one is. Is. Third one, it. It.
Ma'am, second word, ma'am?
Is.
It.
Is.
Is. Okay.
Snake is in the grass. Is. And the third one, it. Finish. Next is on. 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 What you'll write? Now it's dark. The lights go on. And then here the aeroplane. Yes. If you have finished, thumbs up, children. I'll know it. Next is off. Off. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. Off.
Ma'am, what's the fifth letter, ma'am?
Off.
It's off.
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 And then my friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. Sixth one. Shall I tell you the sixth one? At. At. A. T. 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 At. 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 T. At. Handsome young. And then T. 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 When I watch the tennis play. T. 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 At. Let's finish. Am. Next is am. Am. Mom and the dad makes many meals. Am. 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 Finish. Next is as. As. A. Snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. As. Finish. How many we have finished? 8,
8, ma'am.
8. Okay. Next is ox. Ox. Take an X-ray. Take an X-ray. Ox.
Ox, ma'am?
Yeah, ox.
Right.
And the last one is the. The.
Ma'am, what is the last word, ma'am?
The. The.
No, it's not getting exactly, ma'am. What it is?
The.
The, okay.
The, whatever it is. If you know the spelling, you can very well write, children. It is very easy only. 2-letter words. Very good. Tilaka's mom, please check whether he has written correctly.
Yes, ma'am. Correct, ma'am.
Achacho. Very good boy, Tilakar. Tilakar gets a smiley again. So today, how many smileys did you get? First 3, before 1, 4 smiley. Okay. Yeah, next to finish. How did Nimalan write? All correct? 10 out of 10.
Am he wrote for as he wrote IS, ma'am.
As I. Why, ma? Why, Nimalan?
And for
very
OX,
playful.
he don't know, ma'am.
Ox.
When we
Box
tell the Ox, he don't know, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay, anyhow, Nimalan also gets a smiley. Yeah, welcome. Sarah finished?
Yes, ma'am.
How many did you get?
Ma'am, she wrote ox for ox, so she wrote zo. Then I asked her to correct it, and the ma'am, P-E-H, she wrote
T-H-E. Okay. Fine. No problem. Very good, Sarah. Take it. Sarah, don't want smiley?
You want or not?
Don't want, then ma'am will take it. Shall I take it? I'm going to pin it to my dress. Okay? Okay, fine. Next, Ilango.
Finished, ma'am.
How many marks did you get?
Yes, ma'am. He wrote it correctly. Ox, he didn't know. Ox.
Ox, okay. Smiley for Ilango. 5. Very good, Ilango. Smiley for you. Okay?
It's a bad boy.
Next. Well, Srinija. How did you write?
Ma'am, she did not get this E sound, ma'am. In is
D.
on.
T-H-E, the.
The she told it correctly. And on words okay. O words okay. But I words she's struggling.
E sound,
E sound, yes.
E sound confusing with the alphabet E.
Yes, ma'am.
That is regularly, hereafter you play that phonic rhymes regularly for 1 week.
Okay.
Okay? Then she will get to that. E sounds mean that will be automatically I. Inky the mouse is my pet. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Srinija, don't get confused. Okay? This smiley goes for you. Yeah. Next, Nitish.
மேம் நிதிஷ் வந்து இன்னும் ஒண்ணே அவ ஐஎன் எழுதல மேம் ஒன்லி என் மட்டும் எழுதுறான் மேம்
இன்னுன்னு தனித்தனியா சொல்லணும். So what I am asking all the parents is ask them to write at least two times. IN in, IN in, IS is, IS is. Like that when they spell and write only they will know the spellings. Okay, right now we are giving only 2-letter words. That if they are not clear with that, then how will we move on to the 3-letter words? So regularly, at least 5 letters, two times if they write itself, it's okay. One time you write and give them, dash போட்டு கொடுத்துருங்க நோட்ல. 2 times you put a blank in the notebook and give it to them. Let them look at what you have written, spell and write. Spelling and writing is very, very important, children. Spell and write. Okay, so smiley goes for everyone. Nakshatra, Shravanya, Madhuvanti, Kevin, and then who else? Adarsh, Riyastri, Nakshatra. Okay, so smiley goes for everyone. It's already time up. I don't want to drag even more. Thank you so much, children. Thanks for your cooperation. See you tomorrow. Bye, everyone. Now, bye சொல்றதுக்கு முன்னாடியே சொல்லிடுவான் bye. உனக்கு பாயே கிடையாது போ. No bye for Nimalan. Stay in the session till I say bye.